help your students bridge the gap between theoretical knowledge and identifying real-world hazards or flaws in the field. Try using Gemini's image reasoning capabilities to transform any photo into an interactive, high-fidelity safety audit. Imagine you're teaching electrical engineering and want students to evaluate the wiring of a high-voltage industrial panel from a recent lab or site visit. In Gemini, upload the photo and use this prompt: analyze this electrical panel. Don't reveal the errors. Instead, generate 3 guided questions to help a student discover the safety violations and thermal risks themselves. Gemini acts as a Socratic tutor, providing high-level prompts that force students to apply their knowledge to the visual evidence provided. To extend this idea, why not ask Gemini to draft a formal safety incident report based on the final findings, suitable for an industry-leading firm? You now see a structured technical document that models how to automate administrative research tasks and communicate risks with high-level precision. This live modeling of visual diagnostics shows students how to use AI as a high-fidelity partner for solving complex, real-world challenges. Okay, now it's your turn. Head over to gemini.google.com to get started.